Greetings to you today, traders. It's Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. We're looking at a strangle for our margin account, but I'm going to look at a Jade Lizzard because yesterday Tasty Trade put out a nice video called when to use the, well, I'll get this right, when to trade a Jade Lizzard. And man, I think this underlying puts together a perfect Jade Lizzard opportunity, especially for those of you that are trading in an IRA account where you can't really pull off a strangle. And maybe you just don't like strangles due to that unlimited risk on both sides. All right, so we're looking at JD, right? And it's got a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4, and an IV rank of 44, and has been relatively neutral. Like the Tasty Trade email said, you know, it's been at this price a few months ago and a year ago. So we can put on some neutral trades today, shall we? Let's get to it. Hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. I do appreciate it if you could stick around to the end of the video. It helps me with my watch time metric, if you would kindly. Thank you. All right, let's go to the charts and pull up JD. Right now I have XL in there. Let's go JD. JD, as we said, here it is right now. Look, it's been that price here and here and here and all the way back here a year ago. So pretty neutral. It looks, though, like things are on their way up again. So what if we could put together a neutral trade that would also give us no risk to the upside? Stay tuned toward the end. We'll do that trade. But for now, we'll do the trade as sent to us for our margin account. Here in the Analyze tab, let's go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the October weeklies with, we'll find it. There it is. 36 days left to expiration. Let's twirl those open. We're going to be finding a 60 put. There you are. And selling that. We're going to be finding our 90 call. And we're going to sell that. We'll hold down the control key and click on that. So now I've got myself a strangle sold, collecting $1 in credit. And we can go to the risk profile and check out our probabilities on this one. We should expect, you know, with that high risk comes great rewards, right? Let's go with as far as probability. Okay, and I should probably get the date set right, shouldn't I? October 30th. There we are. Okay, so we're looking at an 85% probability of ending up inside these goalposts, as I call them. It has a slight negative delta, so we are slightly bearish in this position. Yeah, and what's nice about this is that the goalposts are outside of the expected move. If I were to be honest, I'm pretty sure these goalposts are right outside the one standard deviation on both sides, so that's nice. Of course, you have unlimited risk to this, so if you're doing this trade, I do recommend that you set yourself an alert. Remember, the Tasty Trade mechanic for this one, or best practice, or whatever you want to call it, is to collect, or is to close the position if you get 2 to 3 times the credit received. So if you take a loss of $200 to $300, then it's time to close this position. You might want to set an alert for that. All right. Now, with that, I'm going to right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send. You can't see that, so give me a moment. Here it is. Infinite risk possibilities, all to collect $101, right? Buying power effect they're going to give me is a $763 because it's a margin account. So it's not really infinite, but it is infinite. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit send, put that into the working orders. And so you made it through trade one. Let's look at an alternative for those of you who would like to sleep at night. Let's go to the IRA account. Let's go back to Add Simulated Trade. We're still in JD. And what's nice about this is you can look at the puts and then find one that has a credit that would make the width that you want to do for a call spread. So I think over here, this is pretty close to $1 wide, right? And it's got some open interest. So let's take the 65 and sell that, right? Then if we come up here, let's create a $1 wide spread. And I believe what I've selected here is, hang on, whoopsie, hello. 83. I sell the, I'm going to hold down the control key and click the bid for the 83 and then the ask for the 84. There we go. I'm going to say custom. We're going to collect $1.16 in credit, which is more than the width of this dollar wide call spread, right? that gives us what's it called? A Jade Lizzard, right? Go to the risk profile here, and you can see if I squish that up a smidge, then center it. No, it's really not helping much, is it? I thought that would make it a little bigger for us to see. I guess that's a little better. There we go. That's a little bit easier to see. So we are neutral in the sense that it's like, look, we'd like for it to stay where it is, right? The good news is, yes, while we have unlimited risk to the downside, and we could lose, 300 bucks, we'll see what it is, 64 something, if JD went out of business, but we have no risk to the upside, so you can sleep at night. Let's go ahead and set our price slices to break even at expiration. And here we're staring at an 87% probability of profit on that one. Let's take a quick look at this in Tastyworks. There it is. That's the same trade put together here with this analysis tab. Do I drag this in that way so you can see a little better? All right. So, yeah. Similar, right? $16 of credit. Should it blow through the top side? That's fine. That's better than losing. We could make a maximum of 116 if it stays where it goes or where it's supposed to go. But of course, we could lose $6,484 should JD go out of business. So I'm wondering, which of these trades do you prefer? Are you feeling the strangle? Are you feeling the Jade Lizzard? Or are you like me and you're going to do both just to see how which one performs? And maybe you kind of hope, since this is, of course, simulated trading, that it goes wrong and you get the opportunity to practice. Can I manage this? Oh, did I not get to my alerts in time, etc. All right, so I'm going to right click this trade, choose confirm and send. Give me just a moment again so you can see that screen. And here, instead of looking at an infinite max loss, we're looking at a max loss of, in this case, 63.84. Not sure why there was a difference there. Hang on. I can't move that out of the way. Anyway, max profit of $116 on this one. High probabilities. I think that's a fantastic idea. So I'm going to throw that into my IRA, go to hit the send button, and there we have it. I don't know why that's all wonky. All right, let's go back to the monitor tab, see we got that order put in there. This is our current positions here. Milko, remember that trade? Boy, that went south on us, but hey, like I said, I'm okay doing these short puts in my IRA account. We'll end up long shares and see if we can do some covered calls. All right. So let's go back to full screen. Yay, there we are. You made it to the end of my video. Thank you so much. Here's a thumbs up for you. If you think I've earned one, there is a thumbs up button down there. I appreciate all the likes when I get them, and the comments are also welcome. Love to hear from you. If you have any questions, please ask. And until I see you in, oh yeah, I should probably tell you, how did I get this trade? This trade came from Tasty Trade. Go down to the description, click the link. You can go sign up with Tasty Trade. It's not any affiliate link, not charging you any money. You have to give them your email address so that they can send you emails if you want them. We get trade ideas 4 days a week, Tuesday through Friday on a normal trading week. You can get those same emails too. You don't have to wait for my video to come out. Or you can watch it. You can hopefully join us and subscribe. And then therefore we have sort of trading partners. We can talk about how these worked out or what we could have done better, etc. Thanks so much for watching this far into the video. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.